All right, so I plugged the steamer in about an hour ago. Still plenty of water in it. It took a good half hour or more before it started boiling and making steam. I've got a little temperature probe gauge here. I'm hoping to get to at least 140 degrees Fahrenheit. I just opened the lid to look inside and I lost a lot of the temperature I built up. So it's dropped back down to 118, but it was at 130. I'm going to move the temperature gauge out of the way and just pop in here to show you the steam. So it is quite a steamy environment. So I'm just going to kind of keep monitoring this and timing it to see how long it takes. That way I can get a plug-in timer and set it so that this does not boil dry. So if you're trying this, just test some of the stuff out and again, do a little research on steamed hay. From what I can see, the ideal temperature is at least 140 for most bacterias, unless you get into trying to get rid of botulism, and that even gets a little bit trickier. So thanks for watching.